Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the place where we break down the smartest tech for your ride. Today we're diving into a compact powerhouse, the 4K dash cam front and rear with 170 degrees ultra-wide angle and ADAS by BOTSLAB. This dash cam has been making waves online with its advanced driver assistance features, Ultra HD video, and dual camera setup, all at a price that doesn't hurt your wallet. So let's unpack it and see if this could be the perfect dash cam for your car. Design and build quality. First impressions? It's sleek, compact, and minimal. The front-facing cam has a discreet design that blends into the windshield without screaming, "Look at me," which is exactly what you want in a good dash cam. The unit feels solid, and the materials don't feel cheap, which is impressive at this price point. Installation is pretty straightforward too. It comes with everything you need: front and rear cameras, adhesive mounts, a car charger, and a long enough cable to neatly tuck around your interior trim. One of the nice surprises here is the 3-inch IPS screen. It's crisp and responsive, great for previewing footage or adjusting settings without needing a phone or app. Video quality, front and rear. Let's talk about what really matters: video quality. The front camera records in true 4K Ultra HD at 3840 x 2160 resolution, and the rear captures at Full HD 1080p. The clarity is genuinely impressive. Whether it's daytime driving through city streets or nighttime on a dark highway, the image is sharp, well-lit, and full of detail. You can easily read license plates, street signs, and spot pedestrians. The rear cam also does a solid job for its class. It won't give you cinema-quality rear footage, but it's more than capable of capturing incidents or rear-end activity. Plus, the 170 degrees ultra-wide angle lens on the front cam gives you a broad, edge-to-edge view of the road, minimizing blind spots and capturing more of your surroundings. ADAS features. Now here's where this dash cam really stands out. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. You get real-time lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and vehicle movement notifications. While it's not as advanced as what you'd find in a Tesla or BMW for a budget dash cam, it's impressive. It uses onboard sensors and software to monitor your driving and give audible alerts if you start drifting out of your lane or getting too close to the car in front. In testing, the alerts were timely and accurate 90% of the time. That said, it can occasionally throw a false alarm if you're in stop-and-go traffic or making a tight turn. But overall, ADAS at this price point is a big win for safety and peace of mind. Night vision and parking mode. Night driving? No problem. The BOTSLAB dash cam features enhanced night vision thanks to a large f1, 8 aperture and wide dynamic range, WDR technology. This helps balance exposure in high-contrast situations, like headlights or street lamps, so you're not left with washed-out footage. In dark conditions, the camera still captures decent detail and performs better than many dash cams in this price range. Now let's talk about parking mode, which is a huge bonus. When enabled, the dash cam automatically starts recording if it detects motion or impact while your car is parked. This can be a lifesaver for catching hit and runs or vandalism. You will need a hardwire kit for true 24/7 surveillance, but once it's set up, it's hands-off and reliable. App integration and connectivity. The dashcam comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and a companion app that allows you to view and download footage directly to your phone. No need to pull the micro SD card unless you want to. The app is relatively clean and easy to use. You can also tweak settings, format the card, or view live previews from both front and rear cams. There's no cloud storage option, but for local storage and quick access to footage on the go, it does the job well. Storage, loop recording, and emergency lock. The BOTSLAB dash cam supports up to 256 GB micro SD cards, which gives you plenty of recording space, especially with loop recording enabled. When your card fills up, the camera automatically overwrites the oldest files, so you're always recording. It also has a built-in G sensor that detects collisions and automatically locks the video file, preventing it from being overwritten. That's crucial in the event of an accident when you need to keep footage for insurance or legal purposes. Final thoughts, pros and cons. Alright, so is this dash cam worth it? Here's a quick breakdown of the positives. Crisp 4K video with wide-angle coverage. Dual front and rear camera system. ADAS features like lane and collision alerts. Solid night vision and parking mode. Built-in Wi-Fi and easy app control. Excellent value for money. And a few negatives. ADAS can occasionally be too sensitive. No built-in GPS location tagging is missing. Parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit. Rear camera isn't waterproof. May limit exterior mounting options. Rating and verdict. For its price and feature set, we're giving the BOTSLAB 4K dash cam front and rear a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it nails the essentials, and then adds extra features like ADAS and night vision that you'd typically expect to see in much more expensive models. If you're looking for a reliable dual dash cam setup that won't break the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your car's security and peace of mind, click the link in the description to grab the BOTSLAB 4K dash cam on Amazon. And if you found this review helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy for more smart tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.